Welcome to the video demonstration for modules in a Canvas course. Modules are used by the instructor to organize the course content. By clicking on modules in the menu list of your course, you will be able to navigate through the course. Each module will have a title and content items underneath it, such as pages, assignments, quizzes, or discussions. In this course, the first module is called Course Introduction. There are icons next to each content item within a module. The icons indicate the type of information on each page. In this case, the chain icon indicates there's an external URL or link. The page icon indicates there's text on the page. The page icon with a pencil indicates it is an assignment. The speech bubbles indicates it's a discussion topic, and the rocket icon indicates it's a quiz. We're going to begin by clicking on the Chapter 1 objectives because the MCC resources, while informative, are not part of the course. They are resources for the students. So we're going to start with the Chapter 1, First Day Civil War, and go to the objectives. The modules allow you to move through the course by reading the information on the page and then clicking the Next button to go to the next item in the module. It will indicate to you what you need to do on each page. In this case, this is an external link that is going to open up in a new browser window. If I want to see the objectives again, I would hit the previous button. If I want to move forward to the next lesson, I would click the Next button. This concludes the video demonstration for modules in a Canvas course. Thank you for watching.